today for the Bitcoin price. And yes, guys, today is the single most important day for Bitcoin since a very long time. If you are asking yourself, are we going to go lower? Are we going to reach a price target, which I am going to mention in this video? Or was this already it? Is this the time to buy? Is this the time to sell? Is this the time to just wait? I want to give you very clear evidence about what I am thinking is going to happen to Bitcoin right now in the immediate short term. I have two indicators which have never failed to predict when it's the right time to buy Bitcoin, to predict the bear market bottom, and to predict what is the right strategy for Bitcoin. Let's talk about that. Guys, thank you so much for smashing up the like button towards a new all-time high. Just look towards the last few videos. Our engagement is completely unmatched. We are regularly getting here on average more than 100,000 views on our videos. This is because of you. This is because you are smashing up the like button towards a new all-time high. You are sharing the video. You are leaving your thoughts down below. Thank you so much for that. And now let's talk about the Bitcoin price. This is a video I've been waiting for to do. This is a video I waited for Sunday actually to talk about. And let's start off with this chart. I want to make it as easy to understand as possible for you in this very short and condensed video. This is the weekly candles for Bitcoin, and as you already know, this line here represents the perfect fit for the all-time highs. The lower line here, which I just added recently, represents the perfect fit line for the bear market lows, right? And this is not even the indicator I want to talk about. What I want to show you here though is this would mean Bitcoin could still go down to a price of approximately 21,600, 22,000 US dollars for Bitcoin. But what I want to talk about is these two moving averages. These two moving averages are every single time perfectly indicating when is the right time to buy and when is the bear market low. So let's go back in time. Let's go a little bit back in time here and let me actually show you exactly what I'm talking about. So let's take the example of 2014-15. The blue line is actually the 100-week moving average, meaning it's calculated from the last 100 weeks and it's giving you the average at every single point of time. Whenever the Bitcoin price is going below that, this is when the capitulation starts, and this is when you know the bear market low is coming very, very soon. The moment the Bitcoin price is hitting the orange line, which is the 200-week moving average, is the moment where you can say, hey, we are not going to go lower again. So the moment we break the blue line, the 100-week moving average, capitulation is happening. The moment we hit the orange line, we're not going to go lower. That was the case in 2014, 2015. Let's go back to the next cycle. 2017. The moment we were breaking at 6,000 US dollars, the 100-week moving average, this was the moment we knew capitulation is on. Bear market low is happening very soon. The moment we hit the orange line, bear market low was in. Every single time. You could even say this was an exception because of the exogenous risk. 2020 we were breaking lower, but even there it held truth, right? Look at this, maybe we wicked below, but the moment we broke it, capitulation is on. The moment we hit, we actually closed above or at the 200-week moving average. Boom, bear market low is in. And now the question is the same thing here happening once again? And now quickly, let me quickly go back into the video mode. Now I want to know, before I continue with my price targets, my actual predictions, and what I am doing on my trade here, let me quickly go into it. I am having my own trade open on Bybit as well. $50,000 in a profit, more than 100%. I want to talk about that just very shortly. Let me know down below in the comment section. Do you think the bottom is in? Do you think we are going to go lower? Do it please right now before I am sharing my opinion with you. Let's go back into the chart. And by the way, guys, before I continue with my price target here, of course, with my expectations for Bitcoin right now in this exclusive content, I wanted to make sure that you are aware of something. Let me quickly go back into it actually. You see me constantly trading on Bybit and Phemex. I am actually right now onboarding another partner into my affiliate section. Let me quickly go into it. Where is it? Right here, Prime XBT. And yes, Prime XBT is not only an affiliate partner, it's also a sponsor of the channel. And Why am I adding this? This is because they are actually a little bit different. They are doing margin trading. So whenever you are looking out for doing something else than futures trading, inverse perpetuals, which I am trading on a regular basis, I want to trade a little bit more on margin trading as well in the future, as it is offering a few advantages other ones are not offering, and at the same time a few disadvantages. You always have pros and cons, right? So make sure you educate yourself about that. And the nice thing is, of course, I was able to secure another bonus. Use the code BULL50 down below after clicking this link, making your own account, and after using this bonus code, of course, with your initial deposit, you can get the 7,000 US dollars on top of the other bonuses as well, which is a beautiful thing. So thank you so much, of course, for Prime XPT for reaching out multiple times. Finally, I onboarded them. I think it was about time, and thank you for sponsoring the channel. Now let's go back into the chart and let's talk about what's happening here. So what you can see is Bitcoin was once again breaking the 100-week moving average towards the downside, and this means, just based upon on historical evidence, the moment we were breaking it, capitulation should be in. And you can see we are very well in capitulation mode. The question is, however, are we going to break lower? Are we going to break lower to 21,700 here, perfectly in confluence actually with the lower band of our perfect fit for the bear market low? So you might say, yes, this is possible. And yes, I am also saying, yes, this is possible. The only reason why I am actually in this long trade, which you can see right here, right? And it is right now almost, it's more than 100% in a profit. The reason why I'm in this long trade is actually this chart here, which I want to show to you. Let me actually eliminate the moving averages. And what you can see here, dear ladies and gentlemen, is of course this perfect fractal, which I was talking about earlier, and Bitcoin actually holding also so far the orange area, which I always mention as my worst case scenario for Bitcoin. If Bitcoin breaks lower now to 21,700, obviously that would be to my surprise. So far we are holding my worst case scenario for Bitcoin, and as long as we are not closing, this is important to understand, a weekly candle below 28,800, I am sticking to this. When we are closing below, okay, 21,700 is on. As long as we are not closing below my worst case scenario area, I am sticking to my worst case prediction of a weekly close of 28,800 US dollars for Bitcoin. This is what I said before, and this is what I am sticking to right now, unless proven wrong. Bitcoin is above that, and this is why I'm saying today is the day. Sunday today is the weekly close. If Bitcoin closes above 28,800, beautiful, perfect. If we are closing below, I'm gonna make another video tomorrow, and I might change my opinion. As long as we are above that, as long as we are closing the weekly above, we are at least on track on my prediction, which I was quoting since December, I think. My worst case scenario prediction. I didn't predict it necessarily, but I said that is my worst case scenario. Unfortunately, it is what it is. Sometimes the worst case is coming into place. Let me know what you think about that, guys. Smash up the like button to a new all-time high. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching until the very end. Leave your thoughts down below. I will be going down below and answering some of your comments selectively here in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for sharing. And of course, also, thank you so much for always supporting the channel with the affiliate links down below. I truly appreciate it. And we are going to see each other very soon at the next one of I'm in Crypto. And as always, guys, as always, bye-bye.